prayers to the Most High, they touch the breath. Where would I be if it wasn't for Him? I'm thankful. After all these years you have saved me, I've always cherished it. It's been 8 years since my last sin in church, but I'm still your child. Death's cares never change. I still kneel and pray, I still obey. You have guided me through my toughest phase. I've been moving in slow pace, I even lost my faith. Up at the time in my life I'll be making waves, but you've been my strength while I've shot me flame. Thank you Lord, how can I repay? Said facing doom better than they claim. They hate to see us win, that's why I pray. But if you win, they will still want your piece of cake. I'm getting popular, so the doubters their shit is strange. All of my exes keep calling, cracking my progress. I brought pills for my ups, I know that they stress. I can't wait till I get to spend with suit and tie on my private jet. Broken trees on my teeth like I'm Gucci Mane. Pop champagne every time I feel in pain. Living in big mansions with no stain. I'm doing great and I know Lord showed me way.